This is the magic bricks box. All right, my friend, would you please choose 2 of these colors? Choose 2 of these, any 2. Go ahead, you can choose 2. Which colors? Red and orange. All right, put them back right over here. Now, I'm gonna take these bricks and I'm gonna put them all into the box right here. And what colors did you pick?
Red and orange.
Red and orange. I'm gonna take this spike and I'm gonna put it right through the box. Now watch what happens. I'm gonna take the box and open the cover and 2 colors fall out. This is the magic bricks box explanation. Now it uses these 6 bricks of different colors. You're gonna have the audience choose out 2 of the colors. Let's say they chose yellow and pink. All right, now you're gonna remember those colors because open the box and put in the bricks. All the bricks go in. However, the 2 colors that they chose are going to go in a different way. Now, when you're putting the bricks into the box, you want to use this flap here to block the view of the audience of how you're putting in the bricks. See that? They picked yellow and pink. So you keep putting in the bricks. The 2 they chose are in a different direction. Close the box. You take the spike and you put it into the hole on one end and out the hole on the other. What that ends up doing is, if you can see inside, it goes through the bricks that they did not choose and between the bricks that they chose. So that when you turn the box over and you open the lid, voila! The 2 that they chose fall out.